welcome all students. Now we have to starting the exercise 1.3. Okay. 1.3 standard 12 mathematics second and chapter number 1 differentiation. आणि यामध्ये आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.3 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन differentiate with respective x. We solving the first and the second example. Now we solve the third example from the first equation. Example is x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sin cube of 2x multiplied to raised to x square multiplied by 2 raised to x square. Now in this exercise we study about the differentiation of logarithmic function. And there are the three type of functions. Maybe functions are multiply each other, maybe in question form, or maybe in power form. So this example is in the multiplication form. So first we write y is equal to x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into sin cube of 2x multiplied to x square. First write the given example. Taking log on both sides. So we get log y is equal to log of the given function is x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 sin cube of 2x multiplied to x square 2 raised to x square. One by one we simplify this example. So we get log y is equal to, apply the log m plus n rule, log m into n rule. So that will be converted into addition. So first term is log of x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus second term is log of sin cube of 2x plus third term is the log of 2x square 2 raised to x square. Application of the first rule. Then log y is equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by the log. We apply the rule log m raised to n. Application of this rule log m raised to n. 3 is multiplied, so we get 3 log of sin 2x plus x square multiplied by log 2. जे नंबर डिग्री मध्ये आहेत किंवा फंक्शन जर डिग्री मध्ये असतील तरी ते मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये घ्यायचे. Now we differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. 3 by 2 is the constant number. Derivative of log x square plus 3 is 1 upon x square plus 3 multiply derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 3 is 0. Now second term 3 multiplied by 1 upon sine 2x. Again multiply derivative of sine is cos 2x. Again multiplied by derivative of 2x is 2. कुठपर्यंत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं बघा. 3 कॉन्स्टंट नंबर आहे पण मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये, त्यामुळे तो 0 होणार नाही. लॉग ऑफ साइन 2x डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती मिळेल 1 अपॉन साइन 2x. परत साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस 2x आणि 2x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2. नाउ थर्ड log 2 is the constant number and derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now dy by dx is equal to y into this multiplication we get 3 by 2 multiply 1 upon x square plus 3 into 2x. 3 multiply 1 multiply 2 that is 6 into cos 2x upon sin 2x. And next is the 2x multiplied by log 2. Or may be written like this 2 log 2 multiplied by x. And then finally we put dy by dx equal to log y, put the value of y. Okay. So y is the given function. Okay. Y is the given function, so we put this x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 multiply sine cube of 2x multiply 2 x square and then simplification of this bracket. 2 and 2 cancel, we get 3x upon x square plus 3 6 multiply cos upon sin is that is cot 2x and 2 log 2 is converted into 4. So that is the x multiply log 4. So it is the derivative of this function. Okay? It is the derivative of given function. Okay? So we can solve this example. तर याप्रमाणे जर फंक्शन मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये असेल तर टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड, मल्टिप्लिकेशन फंक्शन असतील तर ऍडिशन मध्ये रूपांतर होईल प्रत्येक फंक्शनचं. त्याचबरोबर त्या पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शनला जर पॉवर मध्ये एखादा नंबर असेल तर तो मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये घ्या. प्रत्येक टर्म सेपरेट झाल्याच्या नंतर, सिम्प्लिफाय झाल्याच्या नंतर मग डिफरन्शिएटला सुरुवात करायची. लॉग y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon y dy by dx आणि याप्रमाणे ह्या प्रत्येक टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. नंतर यांच्यामध्ये सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आणि सगळ्यात शेवटी परत y ची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती व्हॅल्यू यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायची, म्हणजे आपल्याला यामध्ये फायनल आन्सर जे आहे ती यामध्ये मिळेल. ठीक आहे. तर याप्रमाणे यामध्ये अजून 2 एक्झाम्पल, किती एक्झाम्पल आहेत बघा, अजून 3 एक्झाम्पल आहेत. तर ते तुम्ही होमवर्क मध्ये सॉल्व्ह करायचे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मध्ये. ठीक आहे. Now we start the second question number second. सेम टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल परत वारंवार काही घेण्याची गरज नाहीये, तुम्ही ते घरी सॉल्व करू शकताय. Now see the second question. Question is same. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. तर त्याप्रमाणे आपलं हे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जे आहे ते यामध्ये सॉल्व करायचे. ठीक आहे. तर बघा, first example is directly written as y equal to x raised to e plus x raised to x plus raised to x plus raised to e plus raised to e. Okay? So we calculate this equation raised to e. Now we differentiate this equation. For x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Plus e raised to e. Now say this. Differentiate with the respective x. Differentiate with respective x. dy by dx is equal to, we apply the rule u plus v. It means taking the derivative of first term plus derivative of the second plus derivative of the third term plus derivative of the fourth term. Derivative of x raised to e plus derivative of x raised to x plus derivative of e raised to x plus derivative of e raised to e. Now differentiation dy by dx x raised to e, x raised to e, that is in the form of x raised to n. E is the constant number. Similarly, n is the constant number. So derivative of this function is by taking the rule of x raised to n, that is n multiply x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of this term is e multiply x raised to e minus 1. Derivative of first term is completed. Now we taken the derivative of second term. This derivative is completed. Now derivative of second term as it is, or maybe it is considered as the u. ते का सबस्टिट्यूट केला आपण ते तुम्हाला मी नंतर सांगतो. पण x रेज टू x चा जो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे तो आपला n रेज टू n या रूल प्रमाणे घेता येणार नाही. x रेज टू x दोन्ही फंक्शन आहेत, याला म्हणायचं क्वेश्चन फंक्शन, आणि या टाइपचे फंक्शन आपल्याला टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड या पद्धतीने सोडवावे लागतात. त्यामुळं याला आपण पर्टिक्युलरली एखादं नाव देऊ. त्याला नाव दिलं आपण u इक्वल टू x रेज टू x प्लस a raised to x derivative as it is. Derivative of e raised to x, a raised to x, and derivative of a raised to e is 0. Derivative of e raised to 0 is 0. This equation is called number 1, or maybe this equation again write like this: dy by dx equal to e multiply x raised to e minus 1 plus du by dx plus e raised to x. Number 1 equation. Number 1. Now here u is equal to x raised to x. Where u is equal to x raised to x. तर हे एक्झाम्पल जे आहे ते x raised to n ह्या रूल प्रमाणे सॉल्व करता येणार नाही, कारण हे दोन्हीही फंक्शन्स आहेत आणि हे दोन्ही फंक्शन असल्यामुळं त्याला सॉल्व करता येणार नाही. म्हणून ते एक्झाम्पल लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आणि नंतर त्याचं सोल्युशन आपल्याला मिळवता येईल. मग त्याची प्रोसेस काय आहे तर टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. Taking log on both sides. So we get log u is equal to log of x raised to x. Simple याप्रमाणे taking log. So log u is equal to x multiplied by log x. कोणता रूल वापरला आपण? m raised to n. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u multiplied du by dx. तसं log y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती? 1 upon y dy by dx. तसं log u चा किती? 1 upon u du by dx. But x fixed multiply derivative of log x is 1 upon x. X fixed derivative of log x plus log x fixed derivative of x is 1. Then du by dx equal to u into 1 plus log x. And finally we put the value of u. U is the x raised to x into the bracket 1 plus log x. It is called as the equation number 2. Equation number 2. And finally we put the equation 2 in 1. We put equation 2 in 1, then we get the required solution. Now see this. Put equation 2 in 1. Equation 2 in 1. So we get dy by dx is equal to e multiply x raised to e minus 1 plus du by dx is the x raised to x multiply 1 plus log x plus e raised to x. That is the required derivative. That is the required derivative. तर यामध्ये आपण जसं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपण काय केलं, टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड असं घेतलंय. तर यामध्ये मात्र आपल्याला टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड घेता येत नाही. त्याचं कारण यामध्ये हे ऍडिशन मध्ये दिले, y इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सेकंड टर्म प्लस थर्ड टर्म प्लस. सो वी कॅनॉट टेक द टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. That's why separately differentiate this. For the first term, apply the x raised to n rule. For second term, separate taking the derivative on taking log on both sides. E raised to x, we know that formula, and e raised to e is the constant number. That's why derivative is 0. So now we are solving the second example from this second question. Second is example, y is equal to x raised to x plus e raised to x raised to x. E raised to x plus raised to x. Now see this. These are the addition. These two terms are into addition. That's why we cannot take the log on both sides. We cannot take that log on both sides. So we get differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of the x raised to x derivative of x raised to x plus derivative of the e raised to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. नंबर 1. जर आता एक्झाम्पल बरंच मोठं असेल तर प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्हाला याप्रमाणे लिहिण्याची गरज नाही. त्यासाठी काय करायचं, फर्स्ट टर्म जे आहे याला u म्हणून सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं आणि सेकंड टर्मला v. फर्स्ट टर्म u आणि सेकंड टर्म v सबस्टिट्यूशन त्यामध्ये झालं, म्हणजे इक्वेशन काय तयार होईल, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Then next term is here u equal to x raised to x and v is equal to e raised to x x raised to e raised to x. Taking log on both sides, log on both sides, so we get log u equal to log of x raised to x. So this log is written like this, log u equal to x raised to x multiplied by log x. Multiplied by log x. Now taking the differentiation of this log, taking the differentiation, now see this, differentiate log u, derivative is 1 upon u, du by dx. Then first term takes x raised to x fixed derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x fixed and multiply derivative of the x raised to x. Then du by dx is equal to u into the bracket x raised to x upon x plus log x, and derivative of x raised to x is calculated in previous example, that is x raised to x multiply 1 plus log x. Derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x multiply 1 plus log x. Now see this. First fixed derivative of second term fixed derivative of the first. Du by dx is equal to value of the u, and u is the x raised to x. Also from this bracket we are taking the x raised to x common, and we get 1 upon x plus log x into the bracket 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. Now similarly, second part of this example, that part is v equal to e raised to x here. So taking log on both sides, we get log v equal to log of e raised to x. X raised to x multiply log e. Therefore, log v equal to x raised to x only. Again differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log v is 1 upon v into dv by dx equal to derivative of the x raised to x v, and derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x into the bracket 1 plus log x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to e raised to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Then we put these two values in equation number 1. Therefore we say that equation first becomes, then we write dy by dx is equal to du by dx is this value, x raised to x again x raised to x 1 upon x plus log x into the bracket 1 plus log x, square bracket completed. dv by dx is the e raised to x into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So that is the required derivative of the given part, that is second question differentiate. तर यामध्ये काही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज जे आहेत ते काही बऱ्यापैकी मोठे आहेत आणि काही मध्ये मात्र आपलं झटपट त्याचे जे आन्सर्स आहेत ते यामध्ये तुम्हाला मिळू शकतात. तर या पद्धतीने हे एक्झाम्पल थोडं मोठं आहे, परंतु आपल्याला त्याप्रमाणे सोडवायला काही हरकत नाही. ठीक आहे. नाउ वी सॉल्विंग द नंबर 3 एक्झाम्पल. नंबर किती 3. तर संपूर्ण म्हणजे प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करणं हे काय पॉसिबल नाही, कारण तुम्ही पाहिलंय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह खूप मोठे असतात आणि त्यामध्ये जर एकाच टाईपचे असतील तर ते काय परत परत सॉल्व करून देण्याची आवश्यकता पडणार नाही. नाउ एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. y equal to log x raised to x minus cos x raised to cot x. Cos x raised to cot x. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. नंबर 1. जसं यामध्ये फर्स्ट टर्मचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण काय घेतला du आणि सेकंड टर्मचा किती dv. The first term is considered as the u and second term is considered as the v. Where u is equal to log x and v is equal to cos x raised to cot x. And separately we taking the derivative of these two example. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So we get log u is equal to log x log u equal to log x raised to x. So log u is equal to x multiply log x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon u du by dx. X fixed derivative of log x. 1 upon log x. Derivative of log x is again 1 upon x. परत येता पर x फिक्स म्हणजे फर्स्ट फंक्शन फिक्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ सेकंड log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon log x आणि log x चा 1 upon x प्लस log x फिक्स and derivative of x is 1. du by dx is equal to u into the bracket x and x cancel. Remaining term is 1 upon log x plus log of log x log of 5 log x. And finally we put the value of u. Finally we put the value of u. Value of u. आता आपल्याला याच प्रमाणे सोडवायचंय पुढचं पण. ठीक आहे. Now we put the value of u. du by dx is equal to u is the log x raised to x multiplied by 1 upon log x plus log x plus that log x. Now we are solving this log v. V equal to cos x raised to cot x. Now that will be written as v is equal to cos x raised to cot x taking log on both sides, so we get log v equal to cot x multiply log of cos x multiplied by log of cos x. आणि याप्रमाणे आपल्याला टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड यामध्ये घेता येईल. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, आपण कुठपर्यंत आलोय? तर log v equal to cot x multiply log of cos x. Differentiate one upon v dv by dx. 1 upon v dv by dx. Cot x fixed. Derivative of the log of cos x. Derivative of log of cos x. And derivative of log of cos x is cot x fixed. Derivative of log cos is 1 upon cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus log of cos x fixed. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x therefore dv by dx is equal to v into the bracket cot x minus sin upon cos is the minus tan x next multiplication is the minus cosec square into log of cos x cot x and tan x multiplication is 1. So dv by dx equal to v. V is the cos x raised to cot x. This multiplication is minus 1 minus cosec square into log of cos x. And then equation 1 becomes. मग ह्या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू ज्या आहेत त्या इक्वेशन 1 म्हणजे या ठिकाणी सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं. आणि या ठिकाणी सबस्टिट्यूशन झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्याचं पूर्ण जे आन्सर आहे ते यामध्ये मिळेल. तर काय करतो त्याचं संपूर्ण जे आन्सर आहे ते therefore equation 1 becomes dy by dx is equal to log x raised to x into the bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x plus log of log x. आणि सेकंड जो पॉइंट आहे तो यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायचा. ठीक आहे. आणि dv by dx सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं मायनस dv by dx is the cos x minus sin cos x raised to cot x minus 1 minus cosec square x and multiplied by the log of cos x. So that is the required derivative of the given function. तर याप्रमाणे हे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहेत. त्याचे आन्सर बरेच मोठाले आहेत आणि सेम टाईपने एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचे. त्यामुळे बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही होमवर्क मध्ये सॉल्व करा. वारंवार एकाच टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल घेण्याची काय आवश्यकता नाही. ठीक आहे. तर आपण इथपर्यंत घेतलंय. याच्या पुढचा जो पार्ट आहे तो पुढच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण घेऊ. तोपर्यंत लॉगॅरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन जे आहे त्याची प्रॅक्टिस व्यवस्थित करा. ठीक आहे. तर पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण परत भेटू.